If you're over 50 and still lifting weights the same way you did in your 20s, you might actually be making things worse, not better, worse. Because here's the truth no one tells you: your body doesn't respond to stress the same way anymore. Recovery is slower. Joints are more sensitive, hormones shift. And what used to build muscle now often just builds pain. But what if I told you there's a way to build strength, muscle, and stability without beating up your joints, without spending hours in the gym, and in many cases, faster than traditional weights? Sounds crazy, right? But it's not. It's called isometric training. And today I'm going to show you 5 powerful isometric holds that can completely transform your body after 50, if you do them right. Let me tell you a quick story. A man named John, 57 years old, used to be strong. He lifted weights his whole life. But over time, things changed. His knees started hurting. His lower back felt tight every morning. His shoulders clicked every time he pressed overhead. He did what most people do. He pushed harder, more reps, more weight, more effort. But instead of getting stronger, he started breaking down. Until one day he had to stop. Completely. No gym, no lifting, just pain and frustration. That's when he discovered something different. No movement, no heavy lifting, just holding positions. At first, he thought it was pointless. How can staying still build muscle? But within weeks, his joints felt better. His strength started coming back. And within a few months, he was stronger than before, without pain. That's the power of isometric holds. Here's the problem most people over 50 face. You're losing muscle every year. It's called age-related muscle loss. Your metabolism slows down. Your balance gets worse. Simple things like getting up from a chair or climbing stairs become harder. And if you don't do something about it, it only gets worse. But here's the real cause. It's not just aging, it's how you train. Traditional workouts focus on movement, up and down, push and pull, but they often ignore one critical thing: tension. Deep, controlled, sustained tension. That's where isometrics come in. Instead of moving weight, you hold it. You create maximum tension in the muscle without movement. And this does something powerful. It activates more muscle fibers, improves joint stability, and builds strength in the exact positions where you're weakest. Now let's get into the solution. These are 5 isometric holds you can start today. No gym needed, just your body. First, the wall sit. Simple but brutal if done right. You lean against a wall, slide down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, and hold. That's it. But what's happening inside your body is powerful. Your quads, glutes, and core are under constant tension. Your knees are being supported, not stressed. This builds lower body strength and protects your joints at the same time. Start with 20 seconds, then build to 60, then 90. This one exercise alone can change how your legs feel every day. Second, the plank hold. Most people do planks wrong. They just hang there, no tension, no focus. But a proper plank is different. You squeeze your glutes, tighten your core, pull your elbows toward your toes without moving. Now you're creating full body tension. This strengthens your core, protects your spine, and improves posture. And for people over 50, this is huge. Because a strong core means less back pain and better movement in daily life. Third, the glute bridge hold. This one is a game changer for your hips and lower back. You lie on your back, push your hips up, and hold at the top. But don't just hold, squeeze your glutes as hard as you can. This activates muscles that are often asleep from sitting too much. And when your glutes wake up, everything changes. Your posture improves, your back pain decreases, your strength increases. Fourth, the split squat hold. This one builds serious strength and balance. 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Drop down into a lunge position and hold. No movement, just control. This challenges your legs individually, fixes imbalances, and improves stability. And as you get older, balance becomes everything. This exercise trains it directly. Fifth, the dead hang hold. Find a bar, grab it, and just hang. Sounds easy, but it's incredibly powerful. It decompresses your spine, strengthens your grip, and improves shoulder health. Most people over 50 have tight shoulders and poor posture. This reverses that. Even 10 to 20 seconds can make a difference. Now here's where most people mess up. They think more is better, longer holds, more sets, more pain. That's not the goal. The goal is quality tension, focus, control. You want to feel the muscle working, not your joints hurting. Start small, be consistent. Because consistency beats intensity every time. Let's talk about why this works so well, especially after 50. When you do isometric holds, your muscles are under constant tension without the wear and tear of movement. This reduces injury risk while still stimulating muscle growth. It also improves your mind-muscle connection, which tends to weaken with age. And here's something most people don't realize. Isometrics can actually increase strength faster in certain positions because you're training your muscles to stay strong under pressure, not just move through it. And there's another benefit, confidence. When your body feels strong, stable, and pain-free, everything changes. You walk differently, you move differently, you feel younger. And that's what most people really want. Not just bigger muscles, but a better life. Think about it. Imagine waking up without stiffness, walking upstairs without pain, playing with your kids or grandkids without feeling tired. That's what this is about. Not just exercise, but freedom. So here's your simple plan. Pick these 5 exercises. Do them every day or at least 4 to 5 times a week. Hold each one for 20 to 60 seconds. Focus on tension, focus on control, and give it 30 days, just 30 days. Your body will start to change, not overnight, but steadily and safely. John did it. Thousands of others have done it, and now it's your turn. You don't need more weights. You don't need complicated routines. You just need the right method. And this is it. If you want to stay strong, mobile, and independent after 50, start with these holds today. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos that actually work, because your best years aren't behind you, they're still ahead.